Alright. Did something to the shop truck. Ain't nobody done it yet. We haven't seen anybody do it. It's not the night rider. We never did that. It's something simple, but it looks real good. Lighten up the door handles. Lighten up the door handles. Any car, any truck, doesn't matter. New, old, big, small, it can be done. The price is negotiable, so I'm not gonna get no prices over YouTube. But if you want to like this in the dough, give us a call. I'm gonna turn around.
Jason here.
They got a number on the shirt. Give us a ring, and we'll make you a star. We'll make you a star. You see this guy right here? We'll make him a star. Make him a star. Jason, Order Press TV.
Yeah.
Stay out.